this. Yep, the Glock Box. Yep, got this off of eBay, off of somebody for the low. For the low. For the low. It was dusty, but I had to clean it up, bring it back to life. But just know this Glock right here would not be homeless. He would not be sleeping in some cold cardboard box, shivering away. My freaking muscle discipline and trigger discipline is horrible right now. My trigger discipline is pretty good though. It's not on the trigger. Even though it's not loaded, you literally just see me pull this out the box, so I don't think I have to freaking show, but yeah, definitely. So officially licensed. Yeah, before I disassemble this, I'm gonna go ahead and just, give you a visual of the glizzy in the box. I do it this way. I personally like putting it like this. I do it like this. Get it shaking in there. Glock. Too much movement in there. So I'm gonna keep it this way. Yep, just keep the Glock in here. Now, Merlin, you already know. In case you haven't guessed, I'm a Maryland native. In case nothing was obvious or stood out, I'm a Maryland native.